Hello, my horde. So, more toys, more. It's just, alright, we're just gonna jump into it without any need to explain. I have here a couple of Cutie Mark crews, and we're gonna do this. I've got a bag in my lap because these have that crazy confetti that just, I don't want it to become a nightmare. You pull the tab and then pull the string that's in there. Ugh. Alright. I guess I didn't have to do that part. I think you can just peel it off of the back card. Alright, and I still managed to make a mess. Alright. Guide. Ooh, toy. Nice teal packaging, and I'm just gonna... Okay, everything is gonna explode out of my hand today. That's just fine. I am covered in confetti. I would show it off, but there's actually a hole in my shirt down here. I can only get away with wearing this because I only show up here. Otherwise, I'd have to put on a shirt that doesn't have a hole in it. So we've got some kind of pink sand castle base. And, oh. A little weird heart thing. I don't remember those. And, ooh, we did get a mer pony. And she has some translucent hair going on there with glitter in it that I am really fond of. Let me see here. Ah! Okay. So this is Silverstream. She's pink and blue and just what I like. And you can squeeze her down into the castle there, and she just kind of sits up over the edge like a real cutie. And let's see. Okay, I don't believe that these have any rarity markings assigned to them at all. She is from a glitter series. There's also pom-pom, fuzzy, neon, and then just bright colors, which we do have a couple of these as well from a previous opening. And we're moving on. Alright. There. Yeah, just... That's only a little awkward. Shaking confetti out of the package. I don't think it's... Well, I mean, it worked, but it's also not working. I did a decent job of keeping this from becoming too much of a mess. I cannot imagine giving this to children. Like, children are gonna intentionally just make like the biggest freaking mess. And it's gonna be your own fault if you gave it to them. Alright. Let's see who we got this time. So, a lifeguard chair, and oh, I guess the little hearts are stands because they don't stand up that well. And we do have an Equestria Girls style Rainbow Dash who does not actually look like she's dressed to be a lifeguard. She looks like she has a hoodie and some shorts on. But she can hang out inside of this lifeguard chair. Or, in order for her to be able to stand, although that is funny how that, it doesn't, it works, but it doesn't really fall directly under her feet at all. It's just the one foot, so it's a little, it's off balance, and that's funny. So actually, what was the name again? Silver Mist? Silverstream. Silverstream actually does sit on her own pretty well because her tail is a nice little balancer there. But she did also come with a separate stand. And, oop, yeah. There was still confetti in the little guide. Oh, I didn't, so there's a little blurb about Silverstream. She's so excited to build sand castles with her new friends. Yep. And there's a little blurb about Rainbow Dash as well. Her skills from her summer job come in handy on her trip. So I guess she was a lifeguard as her summer job, and this whole series is themed, it's series 4, Beach Day, so everything is beachy themed. But yeah, that's about it. These go over there. There's so much confetti still. I tried so hard. And it didn't really work out for me. Alright, well, I have to clear the garbage from this up before I move on to the next video, which you'll be seeing later on, because this is where I'm gonna stop this video, and I will see you treasures next time.